Virginia Crime Commission will study other states to determine whether to expand the DNA database to include those convicted of a Class 1 misdemeanor, a move that's sparking the debate over safety versus privacy. On one side, Jill Harrington, whose daughter was killed back in 2009 by a man she believes would have already been in jail had this database expansion been in place. On the other side, organizations like the ACLU that see this move as an infringement of rights. Morgan Harrington, Hannah Graham, two students both killed by convicted murderer Jesse Matthew Jr. Morgan's mother, Jill, says in the argument over DNA database expansion, that's all the evidence she needs.
It's not an abstract for us. It would have definitely saved Morgan's life and Hannah Graham's life. Well, I can't walk away from that.
Matthew was also convicted of a rape in Fairfax County in 2005. Police had that DNA for years without knowing whose it was. Then, just weeks before abducting Morgan, Matthew committed a misdemeanor assault. Had police taken his DNA, they could have connected him to the previous rape and locked him up. Harrington says it's not too much to ask.
I know that the labs are pretty busy with DNA collection that they have now, but if it will solve crimes and save lives, then we need to gear up the lab support for this legislation.
But in a visit to Roanoke County Wednesday evening, the Virginia ACLU director said not so fast.
Expanding it to a large group of misdemeanors really expands the pool of citizens whose most private biological substance and most private information is now being captured and maintained in a state database. And, we just think that's wrong.
She says people need to consider how many more people would suddenly be put in the system.
You can be a Class 1 misdemeanor for many different things that are pretty minor. Trespass, passing a school bus while it's stopped is a Class 1 misdemeanor.
She's concerned about the previous expansion of the database that's already taken place.
That we now have people in the database who've never been convicted of anything, because we collect DNA from everybody who's charged with a felony.
But Harrington says she studied the success of the expansion of databases in other states like New York. She says it's worth whatever privacy people forgo.
We're all trying to do is find the truth and keep people safer here in Virginia.
Now, right now, police only collect and save DNA evidence from convicted felons or people convicted of 14 specific misdemeanors. This study proposes expanding that to include convictions like petty larceny and assault.